So guys, I just wanted to show you this place, this brand new bungalow building. This place is 2 million baht. It is just so cheap, and yeah, I'm just going to show you around a little bit what you can get for £50,000. So there's no kitchen in here yet, but they will do that. It's not finished yet. And look at the size of the living space. And I'll show you some of the rooms. So you got one massive room here. £50,000. And you got your bathroom. I'm on my phone today, guys. I forgot the camera. And I've been able to look at this place on the off chance from a friend. So I've whipped the phone out and we'll do a little vlog on it. Look, that's one room with a ensuite, and here's the main. So bathroom number 2 is here with your shower. So there's 2 bathrooms, then you got a massive big room again. Yes, you got a nice garden, and look, you got parking out there, all undercover. 2 million baht. It's crazy, right? I will put the actual price on the screen, but it's around 50,000 baht, isn't it? I mean, what's that in dollars? I don't know, $60,000 or work it out. So this is bedroom number 3, the smallest one. And out here you've got a small, oh, I nearly fell over, man. Didn't see that step. Out here you got a small balcony. So you've got some building work going on over there. And your next door's pretty close. But yeah, it's not the end of the world, is it? 2 million baht, brand spanking new. Like I said, there's not a kitchen in here yet. I asked my friend and they said they're going to put a kitchen in here. It's only, well, it's not been lived in. So where we are, we're in Saraphi, in a small neighbourhood. I mean, I might come back here and do a proper vlog, because it's worth doing a vlog down here. See, still got all the building materials. So it's just a quick one, really, people, on the phone, just to show you what 2 million baht can get you. It's a Bobby Dazzler, right? Unbelievable, really. So I'm going to leave it at that. And yeah, I'm not sure if I'll make a short out of this, put it on Instagram, or put it up as a mini vlog. So take it easy, man. Take it easy.